Ka Northeast United FC hadian bakalayo ban khor ya kanam la adu ha ka Duran Cup araja arpusau minta kasngi ka khatkhandai tarik unai lor araja arpusau kala wanrah ya ka cup shillong kumba kila let baroh kinong ba kibadan hakithan chate lam mingi kum shibenta jong ka program media day ha ka ba kila yakundu ru ya kinong krishan jong ka club ha ka negasngi nakalyang menteri rangba ka jela ukonrat sangma ulawan hi daladi bnai khuble ya ka kinhun Hynñiewtrep kabala job ya ka Duran Cup badha ka juk kapor ula kitbog ru ya ka kinhun bakinla banyale kai khambha ha ka samoy yale kai jongka ISL.
Obviously, all tournaments are important and special, but somehow Duran, Cup it's got a different branding to it and a different kind of a feel to it. So yeah, it's a legacy, exactly. So winning the Duran Cup is really a great honor, I should say. And you guys played extremely well. I didn't miss out on most of the matches, and so it was very well played, and so you all deserved it. And we're very happy that finally at least a team from Northeast has managed to win this particular tournament. So I, once again, on behalf of our government and our state, would like to congratulate all of you for this great.
The difference, the truth, is the history. We want to be champions. We want to play very good football. We want to have Messi, Ronaldo, but we don't have one thing. We're not patient. There's no sabr. We need to be patient. We said, 10 years ISL, but still national team we don't do. Some countries waited for 100 years. 100 years to do something. Patient. We treating with young people. We treating with human beings. You cannot build a house in one day. We want to build a house from the top. It's impossible. When we start working in grassroots, when you start having fields, proper fields where to train, not in the mud all the time, not on the stones. When we start with that, then we will ask the first teams what they're doing. Let's support the young ones and the 9 and 11.
For the team slowly is growing. Winning the Duran Cup give us a push to believe in ourselves, to say that if we keep working like this and putting a bit more, we will go further. The objective is to grow up game by game, to have a strong team, and for sure making the fans, our fans, and our regions proud of us. That's the most important thing.
Past. My respect to all the teams that played against us. All the games were difficult. Each game has difficulties. It's very important to respect the opponents. And the truth, the most difficult game will be the next game against Meghalaya. That's for sure. Duran Cup, they were difficult. Rymphang has a very good players. I tell you the truth, they play nice football. I think it's a team who can surprise a lot. Need experience, need more maybe support every day in the field like they had against us. That's it. I think the coach knows about Shillong more than me.
Introducing Jaintia Bridal, our exquisite bridal boutique. Where dreams become reality, nestle in the heart of the city, we're here to make your wedding day truly unforgettable. Explore our curated collections of stunning gowns, from classic elegance to modern, and discover personalized service that caters to your unique style. Let us be part of your journey to forever. Contact us for more details. Also, do follow us on Instagram to get our exclusive updates on our products.